split furnace with 3 testing zones. It can go up to 12 or optionally to 1400 degrees C. It is opened here in the front, just like this. It incorporates 3 heating zones with 3 separate thermocouples for temperature control. By the time you move the furnace into position, you can then place the thermocouples back on the specimen just like that. The main advantage of using a short furnace like this is that you have a much shorter load train. It allows for more efficiency because you're only heating a smaller part of your specimen and you're not heating your entire load train. So you have cold gripping while leaving the grips outside, and you can also achieve much higher heating range since your sample that you're actually heating is much lower